So hello everyone, and let me show you our new database we made especially for EVA ICS called YEDB. You can use this database in your project as well, and the main feature of this database is very ratchet. It's actually a key value database, very simple. So key value, data is written as pairs, and the format is completely documented, and it's very easy to repair as all keys are just files with serialized data. We have two versions. Rust version is much faster, especially to read, and Python version we usually use it as client, and it has more more beautiful, nice command line interface, but in this example, I will use embedded version only. So we have a Raspberry computer, and on this Raspberry machine, we'll do the test. So I have ARM version downloaded. Let's start the server, YEDB server with database YEDB1, and let's go variables and bin to TCP. Okay, so let's go. And we have a very simple client script which use TCP connection and creates thousands of keys. I don't know how many keys will be created until I turn the power off, and the key name will be test /k and key ID, and the data will be object with fields test equals to hello and n equals to key ID. After we set the key and print ID when the server report is written. So let's start the script. So it started creating keys, and let's turn the power off. So we have 78 keys written. Let's connect the power back, and let's wait until it boots. So the Raspberry is back again, and let's go to database directory, and let's go to database. Let's see, we have keys arrived, and let's run the server back just with YEDB1. We don't need to listen on all IP address with variables. So auto repair completed, and actually no broken keys found, and we need to read keys, for example 77 and 78. Let's go to this machine, get test key 77, so we have it, and 78. So you see the data is survived, and it can actually survive any power loss. So thank you for watching, goodbye.